Like controversy about oil-based paints and water-based paints. Now this house is about 18 years old, 2004, so 19 years, something like that. I'm just going to show you the gloss enamel. So this is oil-based gloss enamel. Look at that. This is what the oil-based gloss enamel looks like after 20 years. So please don't tell me that your water-based enamel is going to look that good in 20 years time. It's just not going to happen. What do? I mean, this is it. People have been living in this house for 20 years nearly, and these doors still look like this. We're going to use this one-step oil-based undercoat. Oil-based. We use a little 4mm microfiber sleeve, just a plastic roller tray. Now these doors have been sanded. And what I've got, a little hint, is I have a couple of bits of timber that I've put up underneath. Now I don't even have to pull a brush out for this first undercoat. I just stick that up there, get it off the floor a little bit. So I have these in the truck. It's still very rainy and drizzly outside. And my first roll is this one here. And I don't need a brush then. Now you're wondering, why am I putting a white undercoat on when the top coat is going to be similar colour to what it is now, or maybe lighter? It's because I don't like tinting up the oil-based undercoat, because we really need it to stick to this gloss enamel. This is very shiny old gloss enamel. There's a couple of ways we can do it. I actually have water-based undercoat out there in the truck, specified for this, but I don't trust it, so we're going to go oil-based undercoat. It's really the only way that I can feel really good about this, and it's going to work properly. So there's a sticker there. The oil base reacts to things like stickers and stuff. There we go. Comes straight off. And remember, this oil-based, this is a quick dry, but it will soak through your drop sheets. Okay, so let's start this again. First roll, so we don't need a brush, is close down to the bottom there. It's a 4mm microfiber sleeve in a 230 length, 230mm length, which I think is around about the 9-inch one, something like that. Now this is a quick dry, so this should be dry in half an hour. And then as I finish these doors, I'll just go along each room again, flip them over the other way and paint the other side. Now they're all prepared on the other side as well. And then I'll do the edges, door edges later at another time. Open some windows, because this stuff smells a bit. That's it. Basically, I've just gone through and I've undercoated all them doors. Now I'm back here at the first room. Look at that. Dry. Oil-based undercoat dries far quicker than water-based undercoat. especially in the rain. Look at that weather out there. It's just raining, 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 and I'm inside here. Okay, let's flip these doors over. Now, basically gone through, I've done all the doors. You can see that. It's not that long, maybe 10 minutes for that to dry to that stage. And this is how easy it is to flip them around. No good putting screws and that in the top of them and seesawing them and doing all kinds of stuff, because how easy is this, you know, serious. Why would you even bother thinking about spraying them? Ridiculous. Pretty amazing, really, the paint. I do hear that, you know, this is going to be phased out, this oil undercoat. You know what, let's make the storage. That's the back door undercoated. Nice. Gotta love this rain, haven't you?